Landscape lighting can be the most profitable segment of the green industry. Simply put, anytime there's a creative design into a project, obviously the cost of it goes up in the consumer's eyes. And if you're looking at your projects and considering lighting, it really is the finishing touch. It makes such a huge difference on how the project looks and feels and how your customers truly appreciate the project. So often, if someone's installing irrigation, there's typically 3 major brands to choose from. There's a process, and it's almost commoditized by simply someone being better at service or putting in the system slightly different. With landscape lighting, because of the artistic value of how the project's going to look and all the different options somebody can do in lighting, it really drives a higher price point for those who are committed to artistic and beautiful lighting, and customers really understand the value that lighting brings. Lighting makes all the difference in the world in any project. Since landscape lighting has such a high value to clients, our designers are able to simply charge more. Somebody who is designing a landscape lighting system and transforms a space, it has a higher value than a commodity project that somebody could be doing. So if you're looking to add something into your business that brings a ton of value to your customers, that really allows them to appreciate their space and is something that can put more money into your pocket, landscape lighting is really the top choice in the green industry. Having worked with clients for 25 years, the feedback you always get from lighting being put onto a project is just how much greater they get to appreciate the scene, the project. Imagine spending all this money on a pool, a patio, a deck. When landscape lighting is not put in on a project, people don't really appreciate the project as much because when they're sitting out around their pool and they're surrounded by darkness, it doesn't feel comfortable. When landscape lighting is added, it truly makes the space more inviting and people linger, they enjoy it more. So it really is something that makes a huge impact to the client. I've seen so many landscaping professionals, patio companies just truly elevate their entire industry, their entire business by offering landscape lighting. If you look at any of the design awards, whether it's a pool, an architectural design, remodeling design, decks, patios, lighting is typically what makes the big impact on the awards. I've seen projects where you have 2 projects side by side, one's taken during the day, one's taken at night, surrounded by warm, inviting lighting, and the one photo that's taken at night always wins the awards. It's just something that's true in every field, every industry, every award project. The lighting makes all the difference. So offering landscape lighting to your clients really elevates you in the client's eye and really is an amazing service that allows them to truly appreciate the space that you created. The greatest issue I see when somebody offers landscape lighting is projects build up. Even if someone's performing 2 landscape lighting projects a month and they do that for 3 to 5 years, in no time they have 300 to 500 fixtures in the ground. And the maintenance can really be something that is a distraction from your business. So we've designed our lighting fixtures, our luminaires, so that they have a lot less maintenance. Proper heat dissipation, proper thermal management, all of this may sound very technical, but what it means is it reduces service. So we want to have somebody be able to install a landscape lighting system and then go back and focus on what they do, building patios, building pools, landscape lighting projects, and not have lots of maintenance. It's almost impossible to build a business offering landscape lighting if you're having to go back and service those projects month after month, year after year, and it's aggravating for customers. So in order to really grow this side of the industry and this side of your business, you have to offer a product that is built and designed to last and also not have unnecessary service. At Sterling Lighting, we designed our products so that they would last. Running my landscape lighting business, the one thing I hated was premature failures and unneeded service calls. So we designed our products with the idea of running a business. I need to be able to rely on my products and you need to be able to rely on your products so that you can make more money on the project itself and on the next project, not have to do unnecessary service calls. Most landscape companies, pool companies, deck builders are really truly not designed to have a full maintenance service side of their business when it comes to landscape lighting. So if you're going to install it, you need to install the very best in landscape lighting, and Sterling Lighting has created products that have proven themselves to be the most reliable products in the industry. Landscape lighting is one of the easiest things to add into projects. Very often, the designer builder is worried about the cost and the customer just becoming gun shy about adding something in, because projects typically have overrun and they become more expensive than when you originally sat down at the beginning of the project. And a lot of times lighting gets cut out of that project. I encourage everybody to make sure that they continue to push for lighting for the purpose of it's the easiest time in the world to install landscape lighting while the project is being built. I have customers call me all the time where they have steps, patios, and they want to put the landscape lighting in after it's all completed. And at that point, I'm bringing in masons. It's not the proper time to do it. The proper time to do it is when you're working on the project. So if you're building a patio or you're building a pool, I simply tell customers, if you want to do it, now's the time to do it. Otherwise, it's going to be 3 times more expensive, 3 times more cost. We're going to be ripping up the job. Let's do it now, get it done, bite the bullet. And really, it's the one and only time that they could do it at the best price possible during the construction phase. Landscape lighting can be a very profitable segment of your business. Simply put, it is one thing that truly elevates you and sets you apart from your competition. When a company is installing great landscape lighting with great design, it makes your company look better, it elevates your projects, and it puts more money in your pocket. So when landscape lighting is done right, it can be very profitable, it can be very rewarding, and it truly allows the customer to have a much better, warmer, inviting space. At Sterling Lighting, we're here to help you grow in your landscape lighting business. We're here to help your designs look better. We're here to make certain you have great products to use. And most importantly, we're here to make certain that your projects look better and you have a product that you could truly count on, that's reliable, and a company that's going to stand behind it. We are lighting designers that have designed the best products in the world so that your projects will look better and you could truly grow your landscape lighting business. And we're here for you every step of the way.